pairing your new wireless headphones for the first time. First, have your headphones charged and ready. Hold down the multifunction button for 2 seconds to power on. The LED light will flash red and blue. Your headphones is now in pairing mode. Next, switch on your device. Turn Bluetooth on. Select your headphones from the list of available devices. Your headphones is now ready. How to switch volume limit modes. Hold both buttons together for 2 seconds to toggle between modes. Default is Kids mode. Toggle once to switch to travel mode. 3 purple LED lights will flash. Toggle once more to switch to toddler mode. 1 yellow LED light will flash. Toggle once more to switch back to Kids mode. 2 green LED lights will flash. How to answer and end calls. During an incoming call, press once to answer. Press once to end call. How to reject calls. During an incoming call, hold 1 second to reject call. How to factory reset the headphones. First, hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds to switch on. Next, hold down the 2 buttons together for 5 seconds. Your headphones will now reset and auto switch off.